Hello, this is Chris from Paletech, and on this video we are going to learn how to add rows, panning and margin to our website using the Elementor page builder. First, we need to go to Pages, All Pages, and then select the page we want to edit and then click on Edit with Elementor. Once we are here, we are going to scroll down to the bottom, and here where it says what is the plus symbol, we are going to add a new section, and here we can select the number of rows it will have. We can have 1, 2, 3, 4 and variations of them, of 2, of 3, or 4. In this case we are going to use one row for the section, and we are going to the widgets and we are going to add an image to it, and we are going to the gallery by clicking on the image button, and we are going to select this one here. We are going to make it a little bit smaller like so, and then we can go to the edit column section and we are going to duplicate it, and it will add a new row. This is another way of doing that with pre-existing structures. For this case we are not going to use them, so we are going to delete them by clicking on the right button of the edit column and delete. And we are going to add some color to our section. We are going to add a color background like that, and we are going to add a color background to the image. In this case we are going to add, we are going to add a white background to it. So we are going to the advanced, and now we are going to add some margin and padding to it. What we are going to do is click here this wing on link the values, so we can add different values for each part, be it top, right, bottom, of, left, margin, and we can also reactivate it by clicking on it once again. We are going to add a little bit of bottom margin. We are going to add it 50 pixels to it. As you can see, the content outside of the widget, in this case of the image, it will be pushed outward by the margin, then like that. Top and bottom, as you can see, is being pushed out the green background. And the padding, it works mostly on the same manner. We are going to unlink the value. It will push out the content. In this case you can see it will push out at padding, as it means, to the widget itself, and it will push the white background, making it larger if we want to. We can also give it a negative value if we wish to reduce. In this case we are going to add some padding. As you can see, it moves like that, and if we add some negative value it will do so the same. This you have to do it according to your needs for your site, to your widget in particular. So we have some padding pushing the white background of our image, and we have some margin pushing the green background of this section. So once we have finished configuring all margin and padding, we are going to save those changes by clicking on the update button. So that's it. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and share with friends who might need help on their sites. See you the next time on Paletech.